Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on Facebook. And by the way, before I proceed there, I just want to let you know guys that the process on this video using my computer and the process on your tablet or your phone is exactly the same. So stay tuned, don't worry if it is going to be a different gadget. Trust me, it's going to be the same process, okay? So the first thing I want you to take note is if you want to use Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox if still there, or even Opera. It's perfectly fine as long as you have access to the internet because currently I'm using Microsoft Edge right now. There's no problem in a different browser, okay? After that, just log into your Facebook. This is going to be the link, facebook.com. I'm sure you know that. And from here, hover to your mouse on your profile, which is on the top right, your name or your picture. Click on your photo right there, and basically just hover your mouse on the photo on your profile. On that little camera icon right there, click on it. It's gonna say update profile picture. You can either upload the photo, create an avatar profile picture, add a frame, or edit thumbnail. It's really up to you guys if you want to upload the photo from your computer directly. If you want to create an avatar profile picture that is actually new of Facebook, or rather, if you want to add a frame on your current profile picture. And by the way, you can either choose on the ones on your Facebook already, the ones on your albums, and that's how you change your profile picture on Facebook. So thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.